Louis Thompson. All right, counsel, are you all ready to proceed on this motion?
Ready, Your Honor.
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Can I say something first?
Wait,
Oh, just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Court is calling 2022 CR 0273 State versus Louis Thompson. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Benny Callahan defense.
And are you Mr. Thompson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Louis Fletcher Thompson who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 0273 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on February 10th, 2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, a violation of condition number 48 on or about the 16th day of January 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Louis Fletcher Thompson, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant failed to participate in the Safe-P Continuum of Care by not attending his outpatient intake date in violation condition number 48.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State
State.
will waive the other violation, Your Honor.
Any objection to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 48, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 48?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 48 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not, Your Honor. Both sides are going to go open to the court with our recommendations.
All right, what are you asking for?
I'm asking Your Honor that Your Honor find him guilty, revoke his community supervision, enter the affirmative finding of deadly weapon, and sentence the defendant to 5 years TDC.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Bearing in mind that he's got some mental health issues that are permanent and not his own volition, I asked the court to follow the recommendations made by the probation officer and give him a third chance. He wants to tell you that he was attempting to obey the terms of probation and was partially successful, but not 100% successful. I think he wants to talk to the court himself.
All right, Jonah, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Louis Thompson.
Yes, and what do you wish to tell me?
Yeah, I poured in at least 4 or 5 months, and I tried this time. I promise I did. I did not want to let myself down or you down.
All right, so I don't understand what you tried mean.
No, what I'm saying, I poured in like at least 4 or 5 months, and then I got homeless again because my ex-wife never came home that day. She got killed, including my kids. And it's true.
Wait, you're saying your ex-wife and your children were killed
Yes, including my sister.
while you're on probation?
Yes,
So your ex-wife, your children, and your sister were killed.
including my nieces.
All right, your nieces, your
Yes.
ex-wife, your sister, and your children.
Yes.
All right, then let's do this. That should be easy to verify. If you will give the names to
No, I
your
do.
counsel and we'll Google.
Please.
All right. So just have a seat and we'll see what's going on with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, we're back on the record in 2022 CR 0273 State versus Louis Thompson.
Google search of all names didn't reveal any murders of those people within the age range I was told.
All right, so I'm being told that there's no,
I don't remember the age, but it's true.
well, I mean, there's nothing on the system that said that these people are dead.
So this guy that was homeless coming there.
I'm sorry, what?
They told me that, man. I'm not playing, but it's true.
Who told you that?
Well, cause after I got homeless, my ex-wife never came home that day.
So who told you she was dead?
The police, because I'm telling you, it's true, because I called I called them and told them that she never came home, or two of my daughters.
And so
So
are
I'm
you
just don't-
assuming they're dead or you know they're dead?
Well, I'm going by what they told me, I'm assuming.
Well, you're saying that the police told you they were dead?
Yeah, no, I did a missing,
Person?
yeah.
So your ex-wife is missing.
And two of my son, two of my daughters, and my sister is nothing, I can't get a hold of her. You know why? Cause y'all don't let me, cause I can't talk to her till I get off probation. So I don't know, cause I mean. I
All
just
right,
don't know.
defense, do you want to, and to obtain an investigator to see if these people are, as he said, have been murdered?
Please do, please.
Your Honor, not understanding how that would affect your decision to revoke or not revoke.
I mean, he's, according to this, according to what he's pled true to, which is 48, it's saying that he didn't attend outpatient intake date. And I am thinking, and maybe I'm wrong in making this assumption, that if you have a date for outpatient treatment, intake date, and if your wife, ex-wife is murdered, your children are murdered, your niece is murdered, your sister is murdered, that may impact someone's ability to make their outtake appointment. But if both parties want to go forward, we can go forward. But I'm telling you, if all of these people have been murdered, I can understand why he would miss his intake appointment. And I think, State, would you understand?
I would understand. I just, for the record, couldn't find anything to support these allegations.
So I don't know if you want to have an investigator to look and see if these people are deceased or not. If you all want to go forward, then I'll hear. But I mean, I'm not going to take this as true.
Mr. Thompson requests that you make a decision now.
All right. Then, Mr. Thompson, what has been presented to the court is there is no evidence that any of these people are deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the court,
But I do need help, 'cause I do want to find
no,
out.
you're moving from one point to the next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Where I'm at is you said that all of these people are deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
The state has informed the court they're not able to find any records through a Google search that any of these people are deceased. So therefore,
So they're not.
you're saying that these people are deceased? I don't believe it.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm sorry, do me the choice.
I mean, if you want, I will make sure that your attorney has an investigator to see whether or not these people are deceased or not. Otherwise, if you want to go forward, we can go forward, and I will, as previously stated, I found violation of condition number 48 true. And what I'm going to tell you, based upon testimony that I received, unless these people are deceased, there is no excuse for not meeting your intake appointment. So do y'all wish to go forward?
Go forward, Your Honor.
All right, I need a trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. All right, State, as previously stated, the court is finding the violation true. State, what are you requesting?
Revoke, find guilty, affirmative finding of deadly weapon, and 5 years TDC.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
Recommendation by the probation office of continuation of mental health supervision on this man.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, grant the state's motion, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding. Rights to appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Did he have any inpatient treatment?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And there will also be credit for any time served for a successful inpatient completion of programs. All right, so anytime that you were in custody or an inpatient facility, you'll receive credit for that as well. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.